Welcome to the Speak Easy English Show.
We're here to help you speak English confidently.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Speak Easy English Show. If you're new here, hi, I'm Daniel. Let me ask you something. Do you understand English, but still feel slow when you speak? Maybe you know grammar, but you don't know what to say quickly in real life? That's because real English is not long sentences. It's short, fast, natural phrases. And today, we'll teach you 10 real English phrases you use every day, and how to actually use them in conversation. And at the end, you'll do a fluency test using these phrases naturally. Ready? Let's begin. And if you want to speak English naturally every day, don't forget to subscribe. We practice together step by step here. Here is the plan. 1. 10 daily phrases with meaning plus use. 2. Real-life examples. 3. Short situation practice. 4. Full conversation using all phrases. 5. Repeat after me practice. 6. Common mistakes. 7. Role play. 8. Fluency test. These are simple phrases, but they will change how you speak every day. Let's learn the 10 phrases. Repeat after me. Slowly. 1. How's it going? Meaning, how are you? Casual. Use. Friends, coworkers, daily situations. Example. How's it going? Pretty good. Pause. 2. Not bad. Meaning, I'm okay. Use. When your day is normal. Example. How's your day? Not bad. Pause. 3. What's up? Meaning, what's happening? Use. Casual only. Example. Hey, what's up? Nothing much. Pause. 4. Sounds good. Meaning, I agree. Example. Let's meet at 6. Sounds good. Pause. 5. I'm on my way. Meaning, I'm coming now. Example. Where are you? I'm on my way. Pause. 6. No problem. Meaning, it's okay. Example. Sorry, I'm late. No problem. Pause. 7. Hang on. Meaning, wait a moment. Example. Hang on, 1 minute. Pause. 8. That's right. Meaning, correct. Example. We're meeting at 5, right? That's right. Pause. 9. I see. Meaning, I understand. Example. The meeting is canceled. Oh, I see. Pause. 10. Let's go. Meaning, start, move. Example. Ready? Let's go. Pause. Good. These 10 phrases are used every day. Now let's use them in real situations. If these phrases already feel useful, make sure you're subscribed because every lesson builds your real speaking step by step. Listen and repeat. Situation 1 morning. How's it going? Not bad. Pause. Situation 2 friends. What's up? Nothing much. Pause. Situation 3 planning. Let's meet at 7. Sounds good. Pause. Situation 4 arrival. Where are you? I'm on my way. Pause. Situation 5 apology. Sorry I'm late. No problem. Pause. Situation 6 waiting. Hang on. 1 minute. Pause. Situation 7 confirmation. This is the right place, right? That's right. Pause. Situation 8 understanding. The plan changed. I see. Pause. Situation 9 action. Ready? Let's go. Pause. Nice. Now you are connecting phrases to real life. Now listen carefully. Hey, hi, how's it going? Not bad. What's up? Do you want to get coffee? Sounds good. Great. I'm leaving now. I'm on my way. Okay, hang on. I need a minute. No problem. We're meeting at the cafe near the office, right? That's right. Okay, I see. Ready? Yes. Let's go. This is how real conversation sounds simple and natural. If you understood this conversation, that's amazing progress. Subscribe because next lessons will make this even easier for you. Quick questions. Answer out loud, if you can. 1. How is Jessie? Pause 2 sec. Yes, not bad. 2. What did Daniel suggest? Pause. Yes, he suggested coffee. 3. What did Daniel say when he was coming? Pause. Right, I'm on my way. 4. What did Jessie say when she needed time? Pause. Good, hang on. 5. How did Jessie confirm the place? Pause. Yes, that's right. 6. What phrase showed understanding? Pause. Correct, I see. 7. What phrase did they use to start action? Pause. Yes, let's go. Very good. If you got 4 or 5 correct, that's excellent. These are real phrases and you're already understanding them. Now, repeat after me. Slowly. Focus on clarity. Ready? 1. How's it going? Pause 3 sec. Again. Pause. 2. Not bad. Pause. Again. Pause. 3. What's up? Pause. Again. Pause. 4. Sounds good. Pause. Again. Pause. 5. I'm on my way. Pause. Again. Pause. 6. No problem. Pause. Again. Pause. 7. Hang on. Pause. Again. Pause. 8. That's right. Pause. Again. Pause. 9. I see. Pause. Again. Pause. 10. Let's go. Pause. Again. Pause. Very good. Take your time. Clear speaking is more important than fast speaking. Now we combine phrases. Speak more naturally. Chunk A. How's it going? Not bad. Pause. Chunk B. What's up? Nothing much. Pause. Chunk C. Let's meet at 6. Sounds good. Pause. Chunk D. Where are you? I'm on my way. Pause. Chunk E. Sorry, I'm late. No problem. Pause. Chunk F. Hang on, 1 minute. Pause. Chunk G. This is the place, right? That's right. Pause. Chunk H. Oh, I see. Let's go. Pause. Nice! This is how real conversations connect together. You're speaking already, that's a big step. Stay consistent and subscribe so you don't miss your daily practice. Now, common mistakes. This part is very important. Mistake 1. I am coming. I'm on my way. Repeat. I'm on my way. Pause. Mistake 2. Wait! Hang on. Repeat. Hang on. Pause. Mistake 3. Okay. Sounds good. Repeat. Sounds good. Pause. Mistake 4. I understand. I see. Repeat. I see. Pause. Mistake 5. How are you going? How's it going? Repeat. How's it going? Pause. These small changes make your English sound natural, not textbook. Now listen carefully. Real English is often faster. How's it going? Repeat slowly. How's it going? Pause. What's up? That means, what's up? Repeat. What's up? Pause. I'm on my way. Repeat. I'm on my way. Pause. Good. You don't need to speak fast. But you must understand fast English. Now it's your turn. Speak out loud. Ready? Situation. You meet a friend. Question 1. Say a greeting and ask, how's it going? Pause 6 sec. Hey, how's it going? Question 2. Answer naturally. Pause. Not bad. Pretty good. Question 3. Ask, what's up? Pause. Question 4. Make a plan. Pause. Let's get coffee. Question 5. Agree. Pause. Sounds good. Question 6. Say you are coming. Pause. I'm on my way. Nice. That's a full, real conversation. Let's slow down for a moment. You don't need long sentences. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need simple, natural phrases. And today you learned 10 of them. And if you're serious about improving your English speaking, subscribe now and do this fluency test with every lesson. Now, the fluency test. Speak for 45 seconds. Use this structure. Greeting. How's it going? What's up? Make a plan. Agree. Say you are coming. End with let's go. Example. Hey, how's it going? Not bad. What's up? Let's get coffee. Sounds good. I'm on my way. Okay, let's go. Pause the video now and speak for 45 seconds. Great job. That's real English speaking. Now, write a short conversation in the comments using at least 5 phrases. Example. How's it going? Not bad. What's up? Let's go for coffee. Sounds good. I'm on my way. Next, watch. Say this instead of very good. Like the video, follow the channel, and subscribe for daily English speaking practice. And we'll keep improving together. And don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye.